Kasi pag hindi ka nagbigay, sabihin ka pa ng nagbago ka na, ingrata ka na, para bang, you changed. No, every time somebody tells me na I change, I tell them, I did not change. You were stuck. 'Di ba? When we were kids, classmate tayo. High school, classmate tayo. College, classmate tayo. Magkaiba tayo yung work. Nag-progress ako, nag-upscale ako, nag-self-development ako. I did not change. You were stuck. Gets nyo? And the more ka mag-self-development, the more ka mag-create ng boundaries. And these manipulators hate boundaries. These people who are very obsessed in dragging you in hate boundaries. Pag maglay ka ng boundaries for yourself, self-preservation, ang tingin nila doon is kupal ka na or madamot ka na. Ganun. Ganun, day. And again, we cannot control the people around us. We can only control how we react to things. Papasok yung 5-5 rule of life. If it will not matter in the next 5 years, do not spend even 5 seconds thinking about it. Day, ang hirap kaya day ng feeling na wala kang masasangla in case you need a bigger amount of money. Ang hirap nang wala kang mabenta, yung wala kang matawag ba? I mean, your circle of friends are magkaparehas lang kayo. Yung parang nakakain lang everyday ba? Hindi ka naman pwedeng magalit kasi hindi ka napahiram. Kasi alam mo naman yung capacity ng circle of friends mo. So, you as someone who has a better understanding in life, you as someone na parang kaya ko naman maging better version of myself, kakayod ka rin kakayod. Kasi ang hirap pag nangangailangan ka, tas wala kang matawag na people. Mas mahirap pag alam mo na in your circle of friends or family, merong isa na kaya ka namang tulungan but they refuse to do so. Ang sakit sa pakiramdam na nire-refuse ka na alam mo naman na matutulungan ka. So, ikaw, kumayod ka lang ng kumayod para hindi ka na makaistorbo ng other people. Apart from that, para hindi ka na makarinig ng mga bad things. Magbibigay nga, ininsulto ka naman. Magbibigay nga, pinaiyak ka naman. Tas sometimes, accept mo na lang kasi baka pa anak mo nasa ospital, 'di ba? Yung parang you will stoop so low. You will eat all the shit. Tapos one day you woke up, I don't want to be like this anymore. So you work hard. You were silent for months, for years, and then when you come back, you're a better version of yourself. Now, ang nangyayari, yung mga tao na iniwan mo,